Hello, I'm Nagendra R Setty from Ideas Manufacturing Mysore. This is our latest product called the Pod-ICU, which is the world's first portable, on-demand critical care unit with inbuilt isolation capability. This is similar to a one-bed hospital ICU, but more loaded than whatever hospital ICU you can find in the market today. This was developed jointly by my company as well as JSS Medical University, which is JSS-AHER, with whom we have a MOU to develop jointly medical devices during the COVID pandemic, and now it is ready for field deployment. So this product now finds utility in military, defense, far-flung areas, disaster management, rural area healthcare, elder care, and pandemic management. Now this ICU has been brought here for a situation to a remote place, and we are going to demonstrate how quickly it can be set up, assembled and up and running for treating a patient. Staff are going to demonstrate how quickly this ICU can be deployed in situ in an emergency. Start. So we bundle all the medical equipments in a nicely packed carry case which can be reused. It comes with a patient monitor, syringe pumps, infusion pumps, and the suction unit is built into the ICU. Some of the equipments are bundled together so that it can be deployed in one shot, connected, and it's ready to go. In the next version, we will make sure that all the equipment are bundled together like this. So you have one patient monitor, two syringe pumps and two infusion pumps all set up there to be booted and ready to make the ICU ready for running. So now the ICU is switched on. It has taken about 1.5 minutes. You can see that's the booting up sound of the ICU, and the air conditioner has already started working. So all the equipments are being switched on. All equipments are on. It has taken exactly 2 minutes to deploy the ICU. Now the ICU is ready to put a patient inside.